When planning your construction, you must be aware of the need for fire protection in the air gap behind the cladding. Modern ventilated rain screen cladding systems have become one of the preferred choices for high-rise structures, as they provide both design flexibility and weather protection. However, since there is free airflow behind the cladding, this void becomes one of the most vulnerable elements in the building if a fire breaks out. The chimney effect will allow the fire to spread quickly at speeds up to 8 meters per minute. Since the fire is behind the cladding, it will be very hard for firefighters to reach the fire and extinguish it. Let us introduce our well-tested and documented Firebreather solution. This technology allows the building to breathe while simultaneously preventing fire from spreading through the cavities. A flashover in a room may cause flames and hot gases to break out through a window. Even if the cavity itself is fully non-combustible, the length of flames created in the chimney still allows the flames to reach the next floor level and continue the spread of fire. Fire stopping needs to be installed in order to prevent vertical fire in the facade. Ventilating Firebreather Cavity Barriers are mechanically fixed to the facade wall. Installation is easy and efficient. The Firebreather Cavity Barrier resists any sudden flame exposure and prevents fire from entering the air gap behind the cladding at all times. Firebreather, in its open state, blocks flames and prevents falling embers and burning droplets that can start fires further down the construction. Does not disintegrate during a fire. Firebreather stays in place even when there is movement. Is EI certified for up to 90 minutes. Has been thoroughly tested, both in product tests and many full-scale facade tests. Is the easiest and fastest to install. Opens the way for use of combustible installation. Blocks birds, rodents, and larger insects. Choose Firebreather, the really safe fire solution.